If you're playing a video on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer and you're facing the lagging or stuttering issues while playing the video, we have a quick solution for that. So watch this video till the end and don't miss any part of the video so that you can completely understand the procedure. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Now, what you can do is just go to the start menu right here and click on, let me just open it and click on troubleshoot. It will show you this in the best match. Just click on this troubleshoot options. And then you can see on the right side, we have the other troubleshooters here. Just click on that. And let's say you are having issue with the video playback. So just scroll down until you see this in the other sections. That is video playback. Just run it and wait for it to process. It will open up this window. And then it will get some self-help articles for you to process. What you can do is you can just follow along with this help. So let's say I want to click on open video playback settings. You would just read it and then click on this one. And it says, thanks, please wait one moment while I run the diagnostic. So it will search for all the possible solutions on the video playback problems that you're facing. And then hopefully your problem will be resolved. If it is resolved, you can click on yes. And let's close out of here. Something else what you can try is on the left hand side, you can see this apps option right here. And then click on this video playback. Now, if you have some bandwidth issues, it says save a network bandwidth by playing video at a lower resolutions. So mine version is not activated right now. So you can just try turning it on right now. So it says here, save network bandwidth by playing video at our lower resolution. You can activate that as well. And then close out of here. Something else what you can do is just go to the start menu and right here, graphics settings, and then hit enter. And here you can choose any particular app where you are having that problem. So let's say on this one. Now click on options and you can select the high performance option and click on save. And just close out of here, and that should solve your problem. So just comment down below if that works for you. So if it did, just like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.